Welcome back, guys. Today I have 15 fashion hacks that will actually save your life. Now, some of these are also life hacks, and these are all my hacks. Let's get started. The first is mascara. If you've got some really dried out mascara that's just not going on very well, all you got to do is run it under some hot water and voila, you got fresh mascara that just glides right on your lashes. When I really want to maintain my manicure, I use surgical gloves in the shower to wash my hair. That keeps my nails completely intact, and this is like $2 or $3 from the drugstore, and look at that, manicure intact. If you don't always have time to try on clothes while you're shopping, put a pair of pants around your neck to figure out your waist size. This really works. There is just no way I'm risking getting makeup on this beautiful white turtleneck. I use a scarf to put over my face and voila. No lipstick. This is the easiest way to look super high fashion. You've seen these growing up. You could get them at Walmart. They're literally $1 from the dollar store. And look how high fashion. They literally look like Chanel. Now this one might come across really weird, but I made this up years ago. When my sleeves are too long or I just like the ruched look instead of folding, I put hair elastics on my shirt around my forearm, and it just lets my sleeve kind of just look casually ruched and in place. I figured out other ways that hair elastics are useful, like if I have a belt that's just too long and I don't have the option to punch another hole in, I just wrap it around the belt, and then the belt slides right in without flapping around, and the buckle looks perfectly in place. Got a pair of shoes that are just too tight? Baby powder's your best friend, girls. Your foot is gonna slide right in and comfortably. Life-changing, I told you. Out of dry shampoo for your nasty, greasy hair? Baby powder again. This is so easy, cheap and cheerful. Rub it into your scalp and your hair looks super fresh. But if you're out of baby powder, the tried and true slick back pony, and you are polished and ready to go, girl. Okay, I've always loved silk scarves, but they are impossible to stay on. They slide right off. Just put your head right up against a wall. It's that easy. Have a pair of pants or jeans that are just too long, but you don't want to cut them or hem them. All you need is mitten clips. These were 69 cents, and look at the difference. I don't know about you guys, but people in my family are always trying to steal my cords. Not on my watch, honey. All you need is some nail polish or permanent marker to mark your territory, and nobody's gonna get away with stealing your cords again or mixing up your toothbrush, because that's nasty. Keeping bars of soap in your drawers keeps your clothes smelling really fresh, avoiding that stale smell, and these are like $2 for $1, super affordable and super fragrant. I've been asked quite a few times how I pack my hats for vacation. Well, this is how. I stuff them with socks. I carefully wedge my hats in between 2 piles of clothing, and voila, perfect for travel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, it's been a blast. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.